Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to my channel Petite and Curvy. I'm Kopul. I am a 4 foot 11 inches tall petite style and body positivity blogger from London. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my curly hair routine. I'll give you some tips and tricks that I use to style my hair to get these nice well-defined curls, and also how to make your hair look fabulous every day of the year so that you can say bye-bye to bad hair days. I have had curly hair since birth. I can't forget my childhood days when my mum used to brush my hair, and because she was straight haired, she never really knew how to maintain curly hair. Unfortunately, there was no YouTube at that time, and there was not a lot of information on how one could style and maintain curly hair. I can never forget those painful mornings just before school when she would brush my hair and she would just brush it like really hard to try to make it straight. And that just used to cause quite a lot of drama in the mornings. So I have struggled with maintaining curly hair for most part of my life, but thanks to different companies coming up with curly hair products, and also a big thank you to other YouTube bloggers who have demonstrated how to maintain curly hair. So let me take you through my routine. I don't wash my hair every day of the week. I wash it twice or thrice a week, sometimes 4 times, but that is only when I have really worked out hard and I'm all sweaty and I really want to wash my hair. Also, I do feel that because of the different curling creams and other products that I use, my hair does get that product buildup, which I really want to get rid of. So every 2 or 3 days, then I wash my hair. So these days I am using Only Curls All Curl Cleanser. This is a British company, and I have just started using their products. I highly recommend them because you see all this nice shine and this definition. I think these products have really helped me attain this. So basically, when I shampoo my hair, I do sort of shampoo it quite thoroughly. Sometimes when I have either oiled my hair prior to shampooing, or there has been a lot of product buildup, I also use a brush, so this one. So I just sort of massage my hair when I'm shampooing it. It also helps get rid of any dead skin and stimulates hair follicles. So it's very nice. It's quite soft but a little bit firm in order to massage your head when you're showering. So I like this. This is a great way to stimulate your hair follicles to aid hair growth. Everything that I recommend today is going to be linked in the description box. After I shampoo my hair and wash it off, I then use a nice conditioner. Oh yes, before that, I would also like to recommend this one, Maui Moisture Care. This is also a great shampoo and conditioner duo. Maui is great. But again, whenever you ure shampoos or conditioners, there are 2 things that you need to keep in mind. The first is how dry or oily your scalp and hair are. So certain products work best with dry hair, certain work best with oily hair. So read the description. These ones are suitable for dry hair. I have very dry hair, so they help to moisturize. I absolutely love this about these products. And the second is the quality of water where you live. So the place where I live in London has very, very hard water quality, and that makes my hair look more dull and more dry than it should be. Whenever I travel outside London and I wash my hair over there, it doesn't feel as dry and dull compared to when I'm here. So this is the reason why I need very rich and moisturizing products to help me get this kind of shine and definition and kind of bounce in my hair. So after I shampoo my hair, I condition it. So as a curly haired girl, you should condition your hair. This helps to enhance your curls. I don't use the curly girl method. I don't feel that's for me, and I don't feel that my hair um, feels clean enough when I only condition. So for me, it's shampoo and conditioner both. So at the moment, I'm using this one. So this is again the Only Curls brand, and this is the All Curl conditioner. This is very good conditioner. I love it. It has jojoba, coconut, avocado, argan, and macadamia nut oils, etc. So excellent hydrator. So it really hydrates the hair. So once I apply conditioner to my hair, I don't apply conditioner to the roots. I never do that. I apply conditioner, say from here to here. So I don't go here. No, I don't do that because I have tried that before, and that has led to a lot of hair fall. So I try to avoid that. So after applying conditioner, I then leave it on for 2 to 3 minutes, and I apply the body wash, etc. And after 2 to 3 minutes, I then brush my hair in the shower. This is the brush that I use to brush my hair. It is a fantastic brush. This is a detangling brush, and it is one of the best I've used. It's not expensive at all. As I said again, all the links are in the description box, so you can have a look, and you can comb it like this and also like this. So it gives it detangles your hair very well, and it's, you know, it starts giving that sort of definition to get these nicely defined curls. After I brush my hair and I've finished showering, I then wrap my hair in a microfiber towel. Most of my life I've used like normal hair towels, and I have noticed that they tend to break the curls, whereas a microfiber towel doesn't do that. So I highly recommend you get a microfiber towel, and that is going to really help dry your hair without breaking your curls. I mainly use a towel to dry excess water off the scalp. I leave my hair quite wet to be able to style it. If I towel dry my hair too much, it's going to start creating frizz, and also I'm not going to get a lot of definition. So after you've towel dried your hair and it has become a little too dry, then I would recommend that you either use a spray bottle, or so take a little bit of water from the basin and just apply it to your hair to make it a little bit more wet. And after that, I apply a curl cream, and again at this time I'm using Only Curls hydrating curl cream. I also recommend the Moroccan Oil Intense Curl Cream. This is my most favorite out of all the different curl creams that I've tried. This really helps me define my curls and make them look shiny. My next most favorite is this one, the Only Curls Hydrating Curl Cream, as I said earlier. So I'm using this one at the moment because I'm slightly out of this one. So this is also a very good cream, and I highly recommend it. The other one that I tried was the Maui Moisture. This is the curled milk for thick curly hair like mine. So this is also good, but I think it's a little bit more heavy, and it just weighs my hair down a little bit. So out of the three, I like this one the most. It's also the most expensive, but it's going to last you for a very long time, so almost a year. So if there was one curl cream that I would recommend, it's this one. And if you were going for like a promotion or anything with Only Curls, then go for the um, hydrating curl cream, so you get a good price like as a package. After applying curl cream and scrunching my hair, I then use my Dead Man brush. This is the 7-row Denman brush. You could use the 5-row as well. I think this is the brush that really changed my life because it just defines curly hair so well. I love this brush. But something that you need to keep in mind that the Denman brush is not a detangling brush. So this is a detangling brush. This is the one that will help detangle your hair without breaking it. Whereas if you use the Denman brush, there will be a lot of hair breakage. So always detangle your hair first, immediately after you finish showering, and then put on your hair towel to soak off a little bit of excess water, and then put on the curl cream, and then use the Denman brush to style it. So this is how I style my hair today. So after I have used the Denman brush all over my head, I then again use the curl cream to set my hair. And every time you use the cream, use a very little amount of it. This is because if you use too much curling cream, it's going to weigh your hair down. And I tend to use the cream 2 or 3 times during the entire process of styling. So I use very small amounts of the curling cream in order to get the best impact out of it. So after I've styled my hair with a Denman brush, if I'm not in a hurry, I would let it dry naturally. If, however, I need to go out, if I don't have as much time, then I would hair dry it. Always hair dry your curly hair with the help of a diffuser. I love this one. I recently bought it, and this is like an attachment that fits on this, like this, and then I just attach it, and then that's it really. So it's secure. I love this attachment, and because I didn't get a diffuser with this hairdryer, I had to buy it separately. I really like this one. It has a very wide base and it diffuses the air very well, which obviously results in no frizz or very less frizz in the hair. After you have either naturally dried or hair dried your hair, then if you're going out or if you need your hair to stay like it is, then I would recommend opting for a curl gel. I'm using the Only Curls curl gel at the moment. I think it sets the hair very well, so the hair remains in place uh, for a long time. When you apply the gel, take sparse amounts of the gel and then scrunch your hair like this. If you apply too much gel, your hair is going to weigh down, and or it's going to look dry and not as soft. So use all these products sparingly. Do not use too much of these products. I do see some other bloggers using too much of the product. For me personally, that just makes my hair look very flat. If I want to get this sort of volume and bounce, then I need to use these products more sparingly. So these were the tips and techniques for the days when I do wash my hair. But on the days when I don't wash my hair, how do I style it? When you don't want to wash your hair and you want to style it, simply wet your hair. Obviously you don't need to wet your scalp, but again, wet your hair about 2 centimeters from your roots. Wet your hair 2 centimeters from the roots. Make it enough wet so as to be able to style with a Denman brush. And again, you can follow the same steps. So that's what I do when I don't have time to wash my hair, or when I don't need to. Then I just wet my hair, and I use the curling gel and then the Denman brush and everything else that I just spoke to you about in the beginning. Also, I do want to mention that you should oil your hair regularly. So you need to choose the type of oil that best suits your skin and your scalp. So I use a special oil. Let me create another video on how to take care of your curly hair, how to make them stronger, how to prevent hair loss, and what kind of products should you use to just maintain general health of your hair. So, sometimes we tend to use products that do make our hair look shiny, but there's no point if you're experiencing regular hair loss or breakage. Your hair should be healthy from within, and I'm very excited now. So I'm going to make another video on the different types of herbal products that I use in order to maintain my hair health. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want me to discuss anything else about curly hair, please leave your comments below. All the products that I've used today are mentioned in the description box. If you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel. For small YouTubers like us, that is really a great deal. Have a great day, everyone. I'll see you in the next video.